Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this Apple Watch stand made by McCauley. So here I've got my Apple Watch Ultra. I am going to have an Apple Watch charging cable. So let's unbox it and let's see exactly what comes with it. All right, here's some instructions. Here's the stand. Yeah, I like that it's weighted. So it's got some weight to it and it's not going to tip over, but we do need the Apple wireless charging cable that comes with your Apple Watch. So you're simply going to put it in there. Kind of fits in there, yeah. And now we'll run the cable down this little trough. And we can lift this. Oh, there's a little, okay, there's a little this little cap here. Comes out, run the cable through it. Yep. Yeah, that works good. Make sure there's not a twist in it. Now the cable fits in that trough. I can put this back. It's going to hold it to one side. Yeah, there's like little grooves for that to fit in. And now it can sit like that. Okay, so I will need to plug this into a wall charger. Okay, I've got it plugged in. Here's my Apple Watch Ultra. Okay, it charges it, yep. Oh, I've got this installed wrong. There's a little detent that should go up so that it sits flush. Yeah, now it sits flush. I wish that sat down in there a little bit better, but once you've got it setting, yeah, now it's nice and steady. Now I can put my Apple Watch on it, and it charges it. Yeah, let's do some measurements real quick. At the height, it's about 3.5. At the lowest, about 3. Left to right's about 3. You know, right in there is about 2.25, and about 2.25. And the opening is 1 inch for that charging. So I hope this unboxing and review helps. Thanks everybody for watching.